Today we are learning the basics of paper quilling. We'll need glue, quilling pen, some quilling strips, and a circle sizer. First we'll start with quilling the paper. Make sure the coil is tight and there are no air spaces in the middle. Secure the end with glue. A tight coil is ready. Next, I'm again taking a strip and I'm quilling it. After which, I'll place the quilling coil onto the circle sizer. After the coil relaxes and opens up, I'm going to secure the ends. And our loose coil is ready. Now I'm again taking a strip and I'm quilling it. I'm keeping it in the circle sizer. After it opens up, I'm securing the edge. After which, I'm pulling the middle circle downward and pinching the upward side. Our teardrop shape is ready. Now I'm quilling a strip. I'm keeping it on a circle sizer. After it relaxes, I'm repeating the steps I did for the teardrop. Now I'm pushing the pinched part inward to create a bent teardrop. Now I'm quilling a strip. I'm placing it on a circle sizer. I'm securing the edges with glue. And I'm slowly pinching one side and now another side. Now I'm defining the shape by pinching on both sides. Now I'm quilling a strip. I'm opening up the coil. I'm securing the edge with glue. I'm pinching both sides gently, and now I'm turning and pinching other two sides. So in total I'm pinching 4 sides and giving it a shape of a square. Now I'm taking a quilling strip and folding it into half. After which, I start quilling outward from one end. Before I reach the middle point, I remove the quill. I repeat this step on the other side. Make sure you quill outward. Again, before I reach the midpoint, I'm removing the quill. This gives us a V scroll. Now I'm taking a quilling strip and I've started quilling from one side of the end. Approximately when I reach the midpoint, I'll remove the quill. Now I'm turning the quill upside down and I'll quill on the opposite side. I'll quill until I reach the previous quill, after which I'll take it out. This gives us a S scroll. Now we are going to quill a beautiful flower. I'm using these two colors. I'm using a strip of 5 mm and 8 mm. We are taking the 8 mm strip and I'm going to start cutting halfway through the strip. Make sure you don't cut the whole strip and try cutting as close as possible. Keep continuing this step until the end of the strip. After I'm ready with my pink strip cut, I will take my yellow strip and I will glue the yellow strip and the pink strip. If you can see, I've glued the yellow strip with the pink strip on the uncut side. After it's stuck, I will start to quill from the yellow side of the paper quilling strip. After I reach the pink side, I'm going to gently quill. Don't pull too hard, it might tear your paper. After I'm done, I'll take it out and I'll secure the ends with glue. After which I'll try to push outward as shown. Beautiful flower is ready. Thank you for watching.